why don't we go and get ready for bed? So most nights I like to start my routine with a face mask. Now I use so many different brands, but my go-to brand is Glam Glow because they literally have a mask for everything I need. One for pulling out impurities, one for purifying the skin, and I need lots of hydration, so they have an amazing hydrating one as well. So once I've come into the bathroom, I've washed my face mask off, I next move on to a cleanser. Now my skin is very, very sensitive, so I've been to so many dermatologists that have told me I need to stay away from products that contain like acids or alcohol in them. So this one from Sunday Riley is the Ceramic Slip. This one is very milky, it's very soft on my skin, it's very hydrating, and it's just great for pulling out dirt, oil, pollution. So I'm just gonna wet my face a little bit. I like to get a mild temperature water because my skin is so sensitive. If I go too hot with a product, even now, it really inflames and goes red. Apply the cleanser to the face and just gently massage it around the face, making sure you're covering all areas, just so you then, once you've washed this off, whatever products you put on next, you're working with a nice, clean surface. Going around the neck as well. And then I'm just going to wash that off with water. The next product I like to use is Origin's Ginseng Energy Boosting Treatment Lotion Mist. I'm gonna be honest, the reason why I really spray this is just because it makes you feel really refreshed before bed. But what it does is it sprays like an instant energy into your skin, which obviously is great. Just before you go to bed, you're giving your skin everything you need to stay fresh and hydrated while you're asleep. Now another product from Origins is the Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. I am the worst with my eyes. I get very dark circles, I get very puffy eyes. So I do just gently put this on with, I think that's your ring finger. Apparently I've been told it's the most softest finger to use, so I listen to what people say. But yeah, I just put on a little bit before bed just to help. And this just removes or helps remove kind of tired looking eyes for in the morning and puffiness and dark circles. So next is Elizabeth Arden's Skin Renewal Booster. This is actually my hero product. I was recommended to use this probably about 6 months ago now, and I use one pump every single morning and every night. It just helps bring the surface layer of your skin back to its healthiest state, and it also pumps so much hydration back into your skin. And I think with my skin being so sensitive and so dry and dehydrated, it just really helps give it a nice healthy look. And then another product from Elizabeth Arden is these capsules. Now these are retinol capsules. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even know what retinol was 6 months ago, but I was recommended to use these again because they diminish like lines and wrinkles in your skin, and also they just help improve the texture and tone of your skin. So they come in these little capsules because I was told if you use too much retinol, it can be bad for your skin, and if you don't use enough, then there's no point using it at all. So these are measured out to the exact amount you're allowed to use. Have to be careful when you open them because I have opened them and it's squirted out everywhere before. You're probably waiting for that to happen now because it would be quite enjoyable for you to watch, but I haven't done it. Sorry guys. So yeah, you just literally put it onto your fingers. It feels really soft, and when you wake up in the morning, I've never felt so good. I literally feel like when I feel my skin in the morning, I'm like a brand new born baby again. And then I realise that I have to get up and do the dishwasher and stuff, and I'm not a baby. There's things to do. So the last product I like to use on my face is Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. I know a lot of you are probably thinking, wow, he uses a lot on his face, but the nighttime is the best time to repair your skin. And as I'm training a lot at the minute, I'm sweating, I'm out in London a lot, I really do need to repair my skin. And this product, it targets dryness and dehydration, which obviously I've mentioned is my main issues with my skin. So I just like to finish off applying a little bit of this, Again, I was recommended this, and it's one of those products that once you start to use, you just won't look back. You'll continue to use it because it really has helped with issues that I have with my skin and just helped with hydrating it, which I think is really important for me. The product that I use here and there is Origin's Super Spot Remover. I mean here and there because I don't always have spots. I do kind of have quite good skin, to be honest, and I don't always break out in spots. But because, as you can probably see by my channel, I do makeup routine videos. I also do wear makeup for shoots and things. It can sometimes affect my skin, which is why it's so important for me to have a morning and nighttime routine to make sure that I'm treating my skin with what it needs after applying makeup and stuff. So I've got a few little spots now. I don't want to go too crazy with this because what the product does is it dries out the spots. I know a lot of people do use toothpaste and stuff, but to be honest, I'm one of those people that always runs out of toothpaste anyway, and then I've got bad breath for the day. I next then move on to my body and my lips and my hair. Again, this is not something I use every single night, but Olaplex, this is the hair perfector. Obviously, as you can see, my hair is kind of like a silver grey at the minute. If I'm ever dyeing my hair, I will always just apply kind of like a 1 penny piece, like a really small amount of this, just throughout the hair, just to help repair it, because I don't want to go bald. I'm going to be honest, I do not think I'm going to suit being bald. So I've actually already applied that this morning. I've been at home today, so I don't want to apply anymore. I don't want to go too crazy with that. Next, again from Elizabeth Arden, as you can see, they're a brand that I absolutely love. I go in with the 8-hour cream. This is for lips. This is an amazing product to apply before bed. I find not to go too crazy with it because you wake up like literally with greasy lips. But this does really help hydrate your lips. It's one of my worst problems that I have. I get really dry, dehydrated lips, and I do not want to walk around with a pretty smooth, silky, sexy face and then have scabby lips. It's not a look that anyone wants. And then the last product is this vitamin E body butter. There's no point doing all of this to your face and then just leaving your body, because obviously people, when you wear a t-shirt and stuff, can see your neck as well. So you want to kind of treat all of your body with the attention it deserves and needs. So again, because I'm training, I'm sure my skin is getting very dry. So this body butter I just apply all over just to help keep me looking as young as I possibly can. I am getting old now. I'm one of those people that's like, oh, nearly at my 30s. That's when all the trouble happens. So that is it, guys. That is my nighttime skincare routine. I'll link all of the products that I've mentioned in today's video down in the description box below. Now it's time for me to say goodbye and good night.